So today we have to design Moore and Milling machine for finding the ones complement of a given number. So as it is mentioned, it is a binary number, so sigma will be 0 and 1. So before finding the q, we have to solve the question manually. So what will be my ones complement? 0 will be converted. If the 0 is input, your output will be 1. If 1 is your input, your output will be 0. So now we have to find out all the strings. So for finding all the string, we have to find the sigma closure. So the first bit that we are going to get is 0. If it is 0, because of the ones complement, the output should be 1. So if this is the input, output will be 1. Because of sigma raised to 1, it will be either 0 or 1. So if the input is 1, because of ones complement, the output will be 0. So then the sigma square is 0, 0. So what will be the output? This 0 output will be 1. For this 0 output will be 1. So the output because of the ones complement will be 1, 1. The second bit that we found in sigma square is 0 and 1. So because of this 0, the output has to be 1. Because of this 1, output has to be 0. So that is what we are getting is 1, 0. If it is 1, 0, output will be 0, 1. If it is 1, 1, output will be 0, 0. Then if we are having sigma closure, the output will be 0 का output will be 1, 0, 1, 0 का 1. It will be 1, 1, 0. It will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 and so on. Now as this is not the divisibility question, so we cannot take q0 as the initial state that is used as a remainder 0. That means we have to take q as the initial state with no input and no output. So with the next bit as 0 from qs, we will get input as 0. So if the input is 0, the output has to be 1. So for this condition, for this kind of input whose output is 1, we are taking state name as q0. Now with the qs, the next bit, the input can be 1. If the input is 1, the output has to be 0. So this condition we are indicated by q1 state. After that, what we are doing, we had found the state as qs, q0 and q1, and the output symbol is 0, 1. Now the time to design milling machine and a Moore machine. So here we are going to design that. So here we are going to find the state table, that is the input with the current state goes to the next state, and the output symbol as input with the current state produces the output symbol. So we will start designing it. So the initial state is qs with the input 0 and 1, and for the machine function also qs with the input 0 and 1. Now what is qs? Is nothing. So qs is nothing with the next bit as 0. Will create the new string as 0. If it is 0, the output will be 1. So that condition we had marked as the state q0. So the input is 0, output is 1, that is marked by state q0. So it is going to state q0. Now what is the output of q0? So that we had already marked. Output of q0 is 1. So we are writing 1 here. The input is qs. Qs is nothing with the next bit as 1. Will be the input 1. So the input 1 is marked by q1 state whose output is 0. So the input 1 is marked by the state q1 whose output is 0. The next reachable state is q0. We will take q0. What is the input? What is the string indicated by q0? String, input string, not the output. So the input string that we are going to consider is 0 only, not 1. So the previous input is 0 with the next bit as 0 will be 0, 0. This 0 we had already considered. Now we are talking about this 0. So for this 0 whose input is 0, so the input is 0, that is marked by q0. So here we are writing q0. Now what is the output of q0? Output of q0 is 1. Now q0 means previously we had considered input 0 with the output already 1. The next bit will be 1. So we are talking about this one. So this one, so the input 1 is indicated by the q1 state. So where we are going? We are going to q1 state. The q1 state, what is the output of q1 state is 0. The next reachable state is q1. q1, previously we had considered q1 as 1, which is the input string 1 whose output is 0 here. So this is already considered with the next bit as 0. Next bit as 0. 0 input is marked by Q0. So it will go to Q0. What is the output of Q0 is 1. Now Q1 is already considered, whose output is 0. Now the next bit is 1, whose output is 0. So the input 1 is marked by Q1. So Q1 state. What is the output is? Output is 1. Now we have to design Moore machine. So for Moore machine, same thing we are going to copy with the input symbol 0, 1 with the output alphabet. We'll start with QS. Before copying the machine state function, here we are going to first consider the output of QS. What is the output of QS? QS is a state which is not having any input or any output. So QS is not generating any output. So we'll copy QS on 0 goes to Q0, on 1 goes to Q1. Now reachable state is Q0. Before copying anything, what is the output of Q0? We had already written here. Output of Q0 is 1. So that we have to write here 1. Now copy this thing Q0 and Q1. Next reachable state is Q1. What is the output of Q1? Output of Q1 is 0. So we have to write here with the next row entry, which is similar to your Mealy machine state terminal. Okay, that means we have designed the machine function of Moore machine and the state function also. Now the time to design the state transition diagram. So we'll start here with the QS. So QS on 0, that is going to Q0 with the output 1. On 1, it is going to Q1 with the output 0. Now Q0 on 0 goes to itself and produces output 1. On 1, it is going to Q1 with output 0. Q1 with 0 goes to Q0 with output 1. Q1 with 1 goes to itself with output 0. Now with the state transition diagram of Moore machine, be very careful. QS with the output no output, Q0 with the output 1, Q1 with the output 0. So QS on 0 goes to Q0, QS on 1 goes to Q1, Q0 on 0 goes to itself, on 1 goes to Q1, Q1 on 0 goes to Q0, on 1 goes to itself. This is how we have designed Moore and Mealy machine for finding the ones complement of a binary number.